Okay, can you zoom in it a little bit? Can you zoom? You know how to zoom?
Yes.
This one, the big round one is there, no? The lens. Here, samne ka round one. That piece, little in the middle, hold it in the middle. Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. What's up, guys? Kaise hai? Naru, hope everyone is doing great.
No, I want to say Happy Mother's Day, great.
Oh yeah, today is Happy Mother's Day as well. Mother is busy getting ready. Daughter is, what are you doing? Are you giving any gift to your mother?
Yeah, her gift is that beautiful bag.
Okay, I started my work. I just realized. I don't know, last night laptop was working fine. Whenever I travel, I don't know what happens to the laptop. Get the camera here.
Universe wants you to rest when you travel.
My potty assistant will help me like this. Get it here.
Why?
3.5 years, close to 4 years, I'm using it properly, but now there is an issue. I don't know what happened. This touchpad doesn't work properly now. See, it's very random. If I have to replace that, they'll cost me a bomb. The thing is, I'm not going to replace it. Most probably, hopefully, it should work back again. If it doesn't work, I'll use the mouse. I don't want to do any karcha right now, so editing has to be a little bit slow now. Let's see, corners mein when I'm touching, it's working. I don't know what happened. Okay,
Hello.
Pomato, you have to tell us what are we doing today. The itinerary planner.
Papa, I put my water in your bottle because you both will have.
We have to really give, don't give nazar to Naisha. I know you guys will not do that, but the thing is, she is being such a energetic kid, and most importantly, I checked my watch yesterday. I've done 13,000 steps together and almost 10 kilometers we were walking.
Awesome.
Imagine Naisha is doing that much every day along with us. We are not taking her, maybe few minutes here and there, but approximately she's also doing 13 to 14,000 steps every day in the last 3 days. And today thoda relaxation day. We are not doing too much.
We're not walking too much, we're just looking around stuff today. The walking part is over actually.
First, I think we're going to take Naisha to one
She wants
ballpark.
she wants to go to some ballpark.
Ballpark అంటే ఏదో మన దగ్గర ఉన్న చిన్న ball park. This is like a huge stadium level ballpark. I think she's going to have fun. It's a play zone basically, what you find in AMB mall and all that. But this is like 10 times obviously of that. She's going to have fun. Water park was also an option, but I think we'll not be doing it today. That's one of the most attractive things here to do in Singapore. We are skipping that because I think Naisha is kind of under the weather and don't know. Thoda sa sardi lag raha, so we thought we'll skip that for today. We will take you some other time. You're not that well
We
known.
just want to be careful because we're going back tomorrow.
Yeah, you have to fly back. Otherwise, you would have next level fun there. Okay, we reached the place Kidzopia. More than that, you have to see the location here. Turn all around, you'll see amazing buildings. It's not just the buildings, but the architecture, especially Marina Sands Bay, you can directly see from here. See that?
Marina Sands Bay? Marina Bay Sands.
Sorry, Marina Bay Sands.
Hey, nice shoe. Nice shoe.
Like this place? This is exciting. This is so good.
Yeah, that's good.
They are also allowed. Even adults are allowed inside.
Come, let's see who will be first. Ready,
So
go.
excited. Okay. I think the cost for this, I paid around 3,500 for 3 of us. So that's pretty good for 2 hours.
I'm tired.
You're tired already?
No, I'm not. I told you
This is good workout, Naishu. I think this is the most exciting thing for you in Singapore, right? Such a good workout, Naishu, for you. Imagine if you could do this every day. Now the idea is to tire her out like this and then take her for lunch. Then she'll eat properly. Come on, let's see if you can go up. Oh my god, that's cool. Oh, this is a huge ball pit. I'm saying this is the biggest ball pit I've ever seen. I think we are playing more seriously than Naisha. Look at your face.
Perfume.
We took it only for 2 hours, but I think she can spend the entire day here.
Papa, you should buy, okay? Bye. Bye, Papa.
You see? Fake meat.
Yeah. It looks so. One second. The chicken you want? Can I take some for you?
Tough choice.
I prefer fresh produce of vegetables.
Is there? So cool. Seafood.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, wait.
So excited, so excited.
Yes, I'm very excited because I love it. Like a lot more than play here.
There's many, there's some more there. Everything looks so real. All stuffed toys. They look so real, right?
Name in my birthday NAI.
Okay, did you have fun?
Yeah.
A lot of
And
fun.
look at my ribbon. My father got me.
Did you love it?
Yeah.
You had a lot of
What
fun.
is this one?
We'll check it. First you tell
Papa,
me.
wait. This is magic.
We'll see. I'm asking you something.
This is magic.
First answer my question. In all these 5 days or 3 days, did you like it today or yesterday or day before yesterday?
Where you had the softy
Look at
ice
that
cream.
expressions.
Here.
Someone make this in Hyderabad. We don't need to come till here. Almost a few lakhs of rupees would be saved. But this is a place called Sofra, a Turkish cafe and restaurant. I found this on Google randomly, but it was in the same mall where Naisha was playing Kidzopia. I've decided to come here because it's been very long since I've eaten like proper Turkish cuisine, and I love Turkish cuisine. Somehow I feel the flavors are very close to Hyderabad. The Turkish ice cream is something I really love. Turkish ice cream and kunafa or baklava. And that's what we have ordered.
Adana kebab or something. I don't know.
Adana kebab.
Can I?
It comes with rice.
Can I have the salad?
Yes, please. I think this is rice, right?
Yes, the pilav. Small pilav.
Good. Not like very impressive. It's good. I think it needs a combination of all the salads and stuff. And last but not the least, this is the most important dish I wanted to come to Turkish cuisine is because of kunafa and ice cream. I know we get this in Hyderabad as well. The only problem is the ice cream you get in Hyderabad, I think it's not Turkish ice cream. Turkish ice cream speciality is it stretches a little bit. Like I think it's made of goat milk or camel milk. I have no idea. But it stretches slightly like bubble gum, and I like that consistency of the ice cream. Very different. So that goes really well with baklava or kunafa.
I think this is normal. No, it doesn't taste like vanilla ice cream.
Yeah, it does stretch.
So you're saying
Yeah, this is Turkish ice cream.
Naishu, want to try, baby?
I don't want that harabara.
She's saying hara bhara kebab. This is pistachio.
Okay, done with everything. Almost 90% of the itinerary as planned, we finished it. Now we're going back to the hotel, and Pooja wants to do some shopping, mandatory shopping when you travel somewhere. You have to
Thoda
shop.
bahut.
Thoda bahut. And more importantly, and the high pitch nam Turkish cuisine anni. Pooja is like, mana shag house better untadi. It's good, but not something like exclusive that I would like you to come here and have if you visit Singapore. The scene nahi hai.
Don't know if it is the right Turkish cuisine or.
No, I had before, right? I
you
had
had
it in.
before, right?
I had Turkish cuisine in Dubai. That's next level.
So
It is.
this
I wouldn't.
restaurant was not good.
This restaurant was not that great, maybe. But kunafa with ice cream was good. Yeah, Dubai mein what Turkish cuisine we had, that was on par with Hyderabad. Not better or less, but on par.